The newly revealed Super N, also known as the Super One, shows how Honda is rethinking what a small electric car should feel like. Instead of focusing only on efficiency and range, this concept is built around one simple idea that many drivers have been missing lately, and that is enjoyment behind the wheel. At its core, the Super N and Super One are the same vehicle, just marketed under different names depending on the region. The Super One name is primarily used in Japan and parts of Asia, while Super N is used in markets like the United Kingdom. No matter what it is called, the concept represents Honda's next step in bringing its small car heritage into the electric era with a stronger focus on driving character. Visually, the car keeps the compact proportions inspired by K cars, but it immediately looks more serious. The body sits wider, the fenders are more pronounced, and the stance feels planted. It still carries that approachable city car size, but now it has the presence of something designed to be pushed harder on a winding road. This balance between small size and sporty attitude is what makes the design stand out. The biggest talking point, and what truly separates this car from almost every other electric vehicle, is the driving experience Honda is trying to create. The Super N introduces a boost mode that does more than just increase power. It simulates a 7-speed transmission complete with shifting sensations and sound feedback. This is a bold move because electric vehicles typically deliver power in a smooth and linear way, which many drivers find less engaging over time. By adding simulated gears, Honda is essentially giving drivers something to interact with again. There is a sense of rhythm, timing, and involvement that has been missing from many modern electric cars. It is not about replicating the past perfectly, but about bringing back a feeling that drivers recognize and enjoy. Inside the cabin, the design is clean and modern, but it does not feel overly minimal. There are sporty elements, supportive seats, and details that make the driver feel connected to the car. It is a space that feels functional for everyday use, but also ready for a more spirited drive when the road opens up. Underneath the surface, the Super N builds on Honda's small electric platform, but expands it with a wider track and a lower center of gravity. These changes are important because they directly affect how the car handles. A lower and wider setup usually translates to better stability and more confidence when cornering, which aligns perfectly with the car's focus on fun. There is also a deeper message behind this concept. Honda seems to be responding to a growing concern that electric vehicles are becoming too similar, too quiet, and too disconnected from the driving experience. With the Super N or Super One, the brand is trying to prove that electric cars can still have personality. The expected timeline points to a production version arriving around 2026, starting in Japan and later expanding into other regions like the United Kingdom and parts of Asia. While there is no clear confirmation for the United States, the concept itself suggests a shift in direction that could influence future models globally. In the end, the Super N or Super One is not trying to be the most powerful or the most luxurious electric vehicle. Instead, it focuses on something much simpler and arguably more important. It aims to make driving enjoyable again, even in a small electric car, and that is what makes it one of the most interesting reveals right now.